How to open PayPal, create PayPal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open PayPal or create a PayPal account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To either create or basically open up a PayPal account, open up the PayPal application here first. Now just go to the sign up button instead of login, and once you go to sign up, first of all, enter the email address that you would like to use for your PayPal ID over here, and make sure that you have access to this email because it will ask you to verify. Then you tap the next option. The next thing it will ask you is to simply enter your particular phone number over here. So make sure to go ahead and then basically enter your phone number. Then you can tap the next option. It is going to send a verification code to this phone number after you verify this captcha, so make sure you do that. And once you basically receive the verification code here, what you would have to do is you would need to go ahead and enter the code. It will ask you to go to a page where you can create your password, and once you create your password, your PayPal account will get successfully created. This way you can open or create a PayPal ID. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.